The quality and realization of a consonant can change depending on the context that it is in. For example, the Estonian consonants l, n, s, t can be palatalized when they are close to a high front vowel or an approximate consonant e. This means that the back of the tongue is slightly raised towards the palate. For example, andis, sassis, valmis. It is important to note that palatalization can change the meaning of words in Estonian. Some examples are the word pairs palk, palk, pats, pats, and kann, kann. The context in which a consonant is in also affects its voicing. Acoustically, consonants are either voiced, meaning that the vocal folds are vibrating, or voiceless, meaning that the folds are not vibrating. The consonants l, m, n, r, v are voiced, and g, p, t, s, f, sh, h are voiceless in Estonian. A tricky thing in Estonian orthography is that the letters g, b, and d are used for short stops while they are actually voiceless, and the letters k, p, and t are used for geminates, that is, the long versions of the same voiceless stop sounds. For example, in the word taba, the stop is a short voiceless p, and in the name tapa, the stop is a long p. Another thing you should know about Estonian orthography is that the word initial stop consonants are always short and voiceless, and by rule they are written with letters k, p, t, except the loan words can also start with b, d, g, because they are written in their origin language. So for example, the words buss and buss are pronounced exactly the same. In Estonian, the correct pronunciation of the length of vowels and consonants is important. Estonian has short, long, and overlong vowels and consonants. These three length categories are known as quantity degrees. The quantity degrees interact closely with pitch and stress. The first syllable is always stressed, and in the syllable a three-way length opposition occurs for vowels. For example, kalu, kaalu, kaalu. As you can see, the distinction between second and third quantity is not marked in orthography. Often the second and the third quantity alteration is between the genitive and the partitive case forms of the same word, as in the case of kaalu or kaalu. And you should understand the correct quantity degree from the context. In other times, you just have to know whether the word is in the second or third quantity. This, indeed, is one of the most difficult things to learn in Estonian. For consonants, the three-way opposition operates between the first and the second syllable of disyllabic sequence. For example, kala, kalla, kalla. As can be seen from the examples, contrastive quantity marks differences in both lexical meaning and grammatical function. As with vowels, the distinction between consonants in second and third quantity degree is not marked in orthography. According to traditional grammar, monosyllabic words, for example saad, are treated as overlong. In addition to the duration of the stressed syllable, the following vowel also changes. The longer the first syllable is, the shorter the second one is. Besides duration, another important factor in determining the quantity lies in the realization of pitch. There is a significant fall in the pitch during the stressed syllable while pronouncing third quantity degree.